Have you ever been asked to write a report in an academic or corporate setting and didn't know what to do? This is the video for you. Welcome to Vacancies. A report is a structured document that presents information in a clear and concise manner. It often analyzes a situation, provides updates, or offers recommendations. The key components of a report include 1. The title page, 2. The table of contents, 3. An executive summary, 4. The introduction, 5. The body, 6. The conclusion, 7. The recommendations, 8. References, and then 9. Appendices where applicable. Let's go through each of the sections one at a time. The title page. The title page provides basic information about the report. This includes the title of the report, your name and your position, the date, and the recipient's name or position. Please keep it professional and straightforward. Next is the table of contents. The table of contents lists all sections and their corresponding page numbers. It helps readers to quickly navigate your report. The executive summary. The executive summary is a brief overview of your report. It includes the purpose, key findings, and recommendations in 1 or 2 paragraphs. Write it last, but put it first. The introduction. The introduction explains the purpose and scope of the report. Answer questions like, what is the report about? Why is it important? What methodology did you use? Set the stage for your analysis. The body. The body is the core of your report. Organize it into sections and subsections such as background information, data analysis, key findings. Use headings, bullet points, and visuals like charts and tables to make it reader-friendly. Support your analysis with evidence. The conclusion. The conclusion summarizes your key findings without introducing new information. For example, based on the data, it is evident that the organization's policies puts it at risk for several lawsuits. End with a concise recap of your analysis. Recommendations. Provide actionable suggestions based on your findings. For instance, implement a legal audit of your company policies, or allocate additional resources to the sales team. Be specific and practical. References and appendices. Cite all sources in the reference section using a consistent format. For example, APA and MLA. Include supplementary information like raw data or detailed charts in the appendices. Here are some tips for writing a great report. 1. Know your audience. Write with your audience knowledge level in mind. 2. Be clear and concise. Avoid jargon and lengthy sentences. 3. Use visuals. Charts, tables, and diagrams can enhance understanding. 4. Proofread. Check for grammar, spelling, and formatting errors. Remember, a polished report reflects professionalism. That's it. Writing a report is all about presenting information in a structured and engaging way. With these steps, you'll be able to create a report that informs, persuades, and impresses. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.